If you're choosing between SMRT Algo and LuxAlgo, this isn't just trading indicator versus trading indicator. It's smart money concepts focus versus full trading ecosystem. So which trading tool is actually better? Let's break it down. SMRT Algo focuses heavily on smart money concepts, including market structure, liquidity zones, order blocks, and institutional-style chart analysis. For traders using SMC strategies, the visual tools can help simplify complex chart reading. But here's the catch. Community feedback and reviews around transparency and reliability are more mixed compared with larger platforms. LuxAlgo takes a broader approach. Instead of being just an indicator, it has evolved into a larger toolkit with signals, price action concepts, AI backtesting tools, alerts, and strategy-building features. Many users also praise its integration with TradingView and overall usability. The downside is cost, and some traders feel the indicators can become chart clutter if treated as magic buy and sell buttons. Community opinions are sharply divided. So, which trading tool is better? Choose SMRT Algo if you mainly want smart money concepts tools and an SMC-focused workflow. Choose LuxAlgo if you want a broader ecosystem with indicators, alerts, AI tools, and stronger TradingView integration. Bottom line, for most traders, LuxAlgo is a stronger overall choice because it offers a larger toolkit and broader workflow support. But neither tool replaces risk management, backtesting, or trading experience. The biggest difference most people miss. These tools are better used as decision assistants, not automatic profit machines. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.